Hello everybody, today we've come to Brodsworth Hall Gardens near Doncaster.
And it's another wet day, but we're going to go in the hall first and hopefully we'll get a bit of sun later, but I doubt it.
So Brodsworth Hall is English heritage and there's supposed to be really lovely gardens here, and we're not quite sure what's in the hall, so we'll have a look and see. And there's such a lot to see in the house, wasn't there?
Oh, there's loads, yes, yeah. It's much better than what we thought it was going to be.
Yeah, and although it looked quite dark in there, they did pull back the blinds at one point to show us that actually with some quite big windows, and with the blinds pulled back, it would have actually been quite light in there and quite airy. But let's hope it came out okay. Let's see what's in the garden.
Okay, ready?
Okay, let's go. absolutely amazing. We've just been speaking to one of the gardeners, and she said how even on a dull day like this, it's a drop of sunshine. And
Beautiful, really beautiful, aren't they?
oh, really enjoyed
It's when
it.
you come round the corner and you just see them, it's just takes your breath away out. Beautiful, they really are.
I think the rain's coming down a bit heavy now,
I
Dor.
know, should we go for a coffee?
Good idea. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of
Brodsworth Hall.
and gardens. It's been absolutely a lovely day. We've really enjoyed it.
I know, it's been really good. Really worth coming, isn't it? The house and the gardens.
The displays
lovely.
in the gardens, I mean, you can only imagine what it would be like on a nice day. Thank you for watching.